Welcome to another Magiweb podcast video. Episode 23 talks about the 7 skills all marketers need to have by 2020. Since that's right around the corner, this comes with perfect timing. Marketing doesn't work without trust, and that doesn't come without being patient instead of pushy. There have been a ton of predictions about what the future would look like, and while the technology to build and use flying cars has been around for a while now, we still aren't using them. The future doesn't look like we predicted. Simple glances back at pop icon favorites in movies like Back to the Future show this, but plenty also guessed badly. Since it changes in ways that's often unexpected, being adaptable is also important. Because while the future may look different than we thought, it doesn't become impossible to work around, which a tenacious person will soon discover. Most successful marketers are tenacious by nature. Tenacity is the will to seek out the answer instead of giving up at I don't know or just because. Tech stands to take over many of the jobs people hold today, but there are a lot of jobs out there technology has no business replacing humans for. While that day may still come, when businesses attempt things like a fully automated grocery store or other human-free environments, they'll see an initial surge in numbers, which drops off in favor of human interaction in a world stark and sterile. People crave that interaction, and when they're frustrated or angry and they need a person who understands their frustration, giving them to a robot with a script and no way to speak to a live person disappoints a customer to the point they abandon the company. Nobody could blame them. Marketers are going to need to have more skills in their arsenal than the AI can, and that only comes from things it can never possess. There are more critical points to make sure you're on top of for 2020 in the original article, which you can find below the video. See you next week.